Hey Jetty Rockers, welcome back to Jetty Rocks Fishing. Now today is part 2 of us rebuilding or refurbishing the old dirty boat. And today, in this video, we're going to be finishing up some gel coat, we'll be fitting in some hatches, and we're just going to get the boat back together, and you'll get to see the final product, how it finally looks, which I got to tell y'all, I'm really happy with it, really proud of it. Turned out a lot better than I thought, and it went a lot quicker than I thought. Well, good morning, y'all. Well, it is Saturday morning. I did all my glass work yesterday, so today I'm going to start the process of doing gel coat. So I got me some interior gel coat, put a little bit in here. I've already prepped this area with 100 grit sandpaper. I've also wiped it clean with some acetone. I got my felt roller, got a paintbrush. So all we gotta do now is put some catalyst, some MEKP in here. So put it in here. For those of you that do not know what MEKP is or what it stands for, it's basically the catalyst that kicks off the gel coat or resin. It stands for methyl ethyl ketone peroxide. And we'll go ahead and stir this up. All right, that should be good. Now we'll just go ahead and start gel coating this bad boy. It's going to look a lot better in here with some nice clean gel coat. Try to put a thick layer on here if I can. It'll look a lot better in here. Well, there we go. I got the first little box done. This is my bait well. I got my bait well all finished. Looks pretty dang good. So now I'll just move on to one of the front boxes, the anchor locker. I might even do my where my life jackets are. We'll see, but that looks pretty good. Not bad for a start. All right, well, we got all the hatches done. Got my live well done. Got both my fish lockers done. I even got my anchor locker done. Right there. So there we go. I got the 4 wells done. Fish live well, my 2 fish boxes, my anchor locker. So now I gotta just clean this boat up, get it all wiped down with some acetone, and I can start gel coating. This may be done quicker than I thought. All right, y'all. Well, I got the lockers all done, so now I am ready to start gel coating. I got it all taped off. I got it all wiped down with acetone. I'm only going to do half the boat first. I'm going to go ahead and do it about right here, straight across here. Do this whole half, then I'm going to web it, and then I'm going to let this cure probably overnight, and weather permitting tomorrow. I'll do the back half of this, and this project will be done. Just got to put the hatches back on, and we'll be back on the water, y'all. It's going to take me 4 days, and I'm almost done with this boat. Pretty quick, and I mean, it went a lot quicker than I thought it would, to be honest with you. All right, guys, I'm going to get to it. I'm going to get gel coating and get this thing going. All right, I've already got my gel coat mix, so I'm just going to go ahead and go around and cut everything in. So that way I can do the rest with a felt roller. So I'm going to do this real quick. Get everything cut in. Then we'll start felt rolling it. And then get out here and try to get the webbing done real quick. I may not web it, see how it looks. after I'm done just gel coating it. If I like the plain white, then I will just leave it that way. So we will see. All right, well, I got most of it cut in. So now I'm going to get up here and start rolling this out with my felt roller. Get it nice and thick. Nice and thick, guys. There we go, that's good and thick. I'm rolling it on because I want kind of a little bit of a texture to it, so it's not so slick when you step on it when it's wet and people fall down and get hurt. And also that's one reason why I want to do the webbing. It'll also help with that. You don't really want this to be super slick up here, then people will fall. So that's why we're doing it with a felt roller instead of spraying it. And plus I can get it on a lot thicker with a felt roller. And all the little roller marks and all that stuff is kind of what I want. I want that rustic kind of look. Alright guys, well I apologize. I just went straight into webbing without even putting that on film for you. Basically you got to get your webbing solution right here. You get your black pigment. And you just put in a little spray gun like this. And you just go ahead and pull the trigger. And it just comes out like little splatters. Like that. And that's it guys, that's how you do webbing. You gotta do it on tacky gel coat though. The gel coat still has to be tacky for the webbing to stick. So there we go guys, I got half my boat painted and webbed. Well, we got the bow done. I was gonna try to do some more today, but I ran out of gel coat, so it is now Saturday and where I go get the gel coat is closed till Monday. So I have to wait till at least next week to finish the back, but here we go guys. It's all webbed. Looks good. Looks nice. After, before. After, before. See a good comparison right there. Looks totally different. I like it. Alright JRF crew, well we're back at it now. It's been about a week since we worked on the boat last. The last time we worked on the boat, we got the deck all gel coated and webbed. I wasn't able to get the back done because I ran out of gel coat, so I went and bought some more gel coat, some more stuff. So we'll be able to do that today. And I also went and got some new hatches for the front. Everybody's always talking about how I don't have no hatches up here, and they're always worried about us falling through. But we already replaced the 2 hatches for the fish lockers. I got a hatch here for the anchor locker. Goes right in like that. I have a hatch here. It doesn't fit. These didn't fit either. So I had to actually cut these back so I could get these to fit. And I'm going to do the same thing for this one. So I'm going to show you guys how I did that, how I traced it out, how I set it in there, what I cut it with, and all that stuff. We're going to do that right now, guys. But we are getting there. It is coming along really quick. Really quick. Okay. Got this hatch here. As you see, it doesn't fit. So all I'm going to do is just sit it right here. And I am going to trace the outline here all the way around. That should give me how much I need to cut out. Yep, I just got to cut this out right here, and this should fit right in. All right. So I'll go ahead and get my jigsaw, and we'll do that right now. And we'll be able to put this in, we'll be able to put that in, and that fits in there pretty good for the most part. Yep. fits in there pretty good. It actually even lines up with the doggone screw holes from the last one. So that's awesome. Okay, I got an old Black & Decker. This is one of the old. This was my dad's, and he had this before I was born. So this thing's old. It's an old jigsaw, and what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go ahead and cut this out. Can't make the turn because of this, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut this in right here. Cut that. Now that should fit in now. There we go. That easy. So now I got all the hatches on my front deck replaced. I'm gonna go ahead and put these in and we're done. Okay, and what I'm gonna do to put the hatches in, I'm gonna seal them up. I'm gonna use quick seal. I'm gonna go ahead and put a nice little bead all around, about like that, all around the perimeter. That's what I wanted to open. I wanted to open this way. All right, put it in. Like that. And then we'll open it up and we can screw it down. All right, guys, well, go ahead and start the back, but just as I get ready to go, looks like it's going to start to rain. So I've already got my webbing solution mixed up, so I can go. All I gotta do is put the hardener in it. We'll go ahead and cut this in, just like we did the other day. Do this real fast, I hope. Hopefully this don't cause me a problem. And when we get all this painted, guys, then I'm gonna get back to you when I start the webbing process. Well, y'all, as luck would have it, it started raining on me. But I got it done. Got the whole boat gelled and webbed, y'all. It is finished. But sorry I didn't get the webbing in this section either, because I had to do it super quick because it started pouring on me. I had to get the webbing on there as fast as I could, so I didn't have a chance to show you guys the process. But basically, webbing is a pigment you put in gel coat with a webbing solution. It's a type of solution you put in there, and you spray it through a spray gun like this, and that's pretty much it. And the solution is what gives it that splatter look as it comes out of the gun. Sorry I wasn't able to get that process on film. I just had to get this done really quick, guys. And now I just gotta let it cure. So I can put the hatches on tomorrow. I already got the front hatches on. Looks like a totally new deck. That's it, guys. Well, I'm gonna let this tack up, let this cure. I'll come back out here tomorrow. All right, morning, guys. Well, the boat is done. It is completely gel coated and webbed. I just gotta install the back hatches here, and this boat will be completely ready to go back on the water. I'm gonna hold off on doing the outside for a little bit. I may clean it a little bit with some cleaner, see if I can get it a little bit nicer looking on the outside instead of all this mold that I got back there. But the whole inside of the boat is done. I already got the hatches on the front. Do the same thing on the back, and we'll be back on the water, y'all. But guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Redoing this boat. It was a long time coming. It really needed it. Sorry for the background noise here, but I live next to a concrete plant, so it just comes with the territory. But I appreciate you guys for watching. I hope you guys learned a little bit. It wasn't a complete 100% instructional video. It's just how I was doing it, how I redid this boat. I'm sure some people done it a different way. This is just the way I did it. So it's not a complete how-to or this is how you should do it. This is just basically how I did it. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys on the water here real soon, y'all. Tight lines, JD Rockers. Well, here you go, y'all. Absolutely finished and all put back together. Got my hatches on the back. Brand new live well. Look at that. A lot better than that old hunky-dory thing I had before. New hatches. I kept some of the old hatches because they were still good, but replaced this one, replaced the front ones. And here you go, guys. She is looking brand new. Brand new and happy. Hey Jetty Rockers, thank you very much for watching this video. I'd like to invite you all to go follow me on my Facebook page at Jetty Rocks Fishing and also my Instagram page. I also have a JRF apparel page which will send you a link to my Teespring page where I have some cool shirts and some mugs. I appreciate you guys very much. Well, check out the description in the bottom of this video. I'll have the links. Tight lines, Jetty Rockers.